Welcome back. I am back with another skincare product, which name is Jericho Rose Bifida Serum Firming Drop. This serum strengthens skin barrier. Even skin texture or bumpy skin improves big pores. The Jericho Rose Bifida Serum Firming Drop is a powerhouse serum packed with a variety of skin-loving ingredients. One standout component is the Jericho Rose, a resilient herb renowned for its ability to thrive in harsh conditions. This unique plant's inclusion in the serum speaks to its potential to fortify the skin against environmental stressors. Furthermore, the serum boasts bifida and lactobacillus ferment, ceramides, and niacinamide, all of which contribute to enhancing skin health, improving texture, and minimizing pores. These ingredients work synergistically to strengthen the skin barrier, providing a foundation for healthier, more resilient skin. The texture of the serum is a delightful surprise, thick like milk, yet effortlessly melting into the skin upon application. Despite its creamy consistency, it leaves behind a soft matte finish, making it suitable for all skin types, including those prone to oiliness. Plus, its fragrance-free formula ensures a pleasant experience for even the most sensitive skin types. In my experience, the serum lives up to its claims. It deeply hydrates the skin, leaving it feeling smoother and more supple. After incorporating it into my skincare routine, I noticed a visible reduction in the appearance of pores, as well as a subtle improvement in overall skin texture. However, it's important to note that the serum contains several plant oils, such as shea butter, macadamia oil, and jojoba oil. While these oils provide nourishment and hydration to the skin, individuals with pore clogging concerns may want to patch test or avoid this serum altogether. Overall, I highly recommend the Jericho Rose Bifida Serum Firming Drop to anyone looking to nourish and strengthen their skin barrier. Its lightweight yet hydrating formula, combined with its pore refining and firming properties, make it a standout addition to any skincare routine.